Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, we are going to be reviewing another foundation because there are so many coming out right now from No7. And these are basically foundation drops that you can mix with anything. Moisturizer, sunscreen, illuminating products, whatever you want. So I'm going to be reviewing this for you guys, and let's get started. Okay, so I've been trying these out now for, I want to say like 2 weeks about, and they are so freaking awesome. So I got these at Target. They are the No7 Match Made Custom Blend foundation drops, and I believe they were $15 a piece, which is quite a bit, but and then they're only 0.5 fluid ounces. But the good thing about this is that you're only using a couple drops at a time. So I believe they will last you as long as a normal foundation, even though you're getting about half of the amount of a normal foundation. So these are so awesome. I have the shade Calico, which is what I'm wearing right now when I'm pale. I feel like it matches me really, really well. No real complaints at all with this. And then I also have warm beige, and that's when I'm like freshly self-tanned. And I can also kind of like mix the two if I want a middle shade. So this shade range is a little bit difficult to figure out, but on Target's site they do tell you like the undertones and everything, so that's really nice. And they are like broken down into different categories as well for you. Just when I was in store, they didn't have very much on the bottle itself, like on the package, so it was kind of hard to tell. But this is what I have on my face right now, and I do not have it set. The only area that I set is my under eye right here to set my concealer, and everything else isn't set. I did use a mattifying primer in the T-zone to just kind of help with this. These are a very, very natural finish, which I love so much, but also you could get it to like a glowy finish if you use a really like dewy moisturizer. So one of my favorite things about this product is that you can mix it with literally anything. I mix it with sunscreen, so a facial sunscreen. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel sunscreen lotion basically. And this one is like supposed to be not greasy, stuff like that. It's a very lightweight texture. So I just use a small amount of that and mix it in with the drops. And I use about 3 drops if I want like a medium coverage. You could also get a very light coverage, or you could use more drops and less of this to get a fuller coverage. I haven't ever built it up to an ultimate like full coverage. One of my favorite things about this is that how natural it looks on the skin. I did a super close up after I finished applying it, and it just looks like your skin but better, and that is my favorite thing. I've been wearing them every single day. They're so comfortable on the skin, and I just love how you can customize these. You can mix it with an oil. If you have super dry skin, you could do like rosehip seed oil or something like that. You could mix it with an illuminating like serum or primer, kind of like a light reflecting one. I haven't tried that because I have more like oily skin right now, but I really do like these, and I do think they like set down, so I don't really get anything off of my fingers in this area. I did not set my face, which I really like. My favorite thing, and what I keep saying my favorite thing, but there's so many things that I like about this foundation. I also like that you can apply it with your fingers. You can apply it with a brush like I usually do, and then go back in with a beauty blender or a sponge. And then also I have applied it with a sponge. So I like it multiple different ways to apply it. It's just kind of whatever one works for you. I think the one I mostly do is apply it with a brush and then go back in with a sponge, just to make sure there's not any brush strokes or streaks or whatever on the face. I'm going to be wearing this non-stop when we go on a cruise here pretty soon at the end of February with sunscreen. So I'm going to be wearing it with sunscreen and a little bit of this on the face. It's going to be so nice. You could wear it to the pool. You could wear it just running around. I think it's going to be a perfect like spring summer product for just like a really lightweight, easy makeup to put on when you don't want to wear heavy makeup and you want it to feel like nice and lightweight on the skin, but also cover up a little bit of like acne scarring or just even your skin tone if you have redness or discoloration, anything like that. So this is probably one of my absolute favorite products that I'm using right now. I just find that I reach for it almost every single day because of how easy it is, how natural it looks on the skin, and just how beautiful it is. I love it so much, you guys. You have no idea. I've also mixed it with the CeraVe moisturizing lotion as well, and it works just as amazing. So I think you could mix it in with your daytime moisturizer or a sunscreen, whatever you prefer, but these are phenomenal, and I'm going to be using them all the time coming up in these spring months, summer months, vacation, all that kind of stuff. So that's my review, you guys. I think they are worth the $15 price tag, although it is a little bit pricey. I do think they are beautiful on the skin. They're long wearing, and they just look so natural. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please make sure to subscribe and you hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every single time that I upload, since a lot of my videos don't make it into your subscription feed. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.